Candy Cane Kenza with Expert Village. So in this clip, we're going to make a really fun shoe bag to use for traveling, or you could even just use it for storing your shoes. If you have really expensive shoes that you don't want them just sitting on your shelf or sitting in the box, this is a really easy project to make, and it also makes a great gift. You could use them for little stash bags, any number of things. So the first thing that you're going to need is some fabric. Now you want something that is going to be pretty and soft and silky, but you also want something that's going to be durable and washable, because if you are using shoes, the shoes do get dirty, at least the soles will, and if you're going to be storing them over time, you will want to wash it. So one of my favorite fabrics is a cotton back satin, and mostly satins aren't washable. They tend to run a little bit, or sometimes will get watermarked. But this particular fabric, because it is cotton, is very washable, and you could hand wash it or machine wash, but I tend to hand wash things that are very delicate like this. So you want about a yard of fabric, and then we're going to be making a little casing to actually drawstring our bag together. So I'm using just this, it's called rat tail, which is such an ugly name for such a pretty trim, but it's basically like a corded trim that is covered in satin, and it's really durable, just as durable as a shoelace, but a lot prettier. You could also use ribbon for this, or even a shoelace if you had something. So when you're making your bag, the first thing that you're going to need to consider is the size of your shoes. Now I have these gorgeous little vintage tie-up, lace-up shoes, and what I just want to do is measure out how long they are, and these are a little more than 10 inches long, and then how tall the heel is. These are about 3.5 inches. So with that basic measurement in mind, it gives you an idea of how big to cut your bag. So in this case, I'm going to do a bag that's about 13 inches tall by maybe about 7 inches wide, because I want to have enough room in it that both my shoes can fit comfortably together, but not too big that it gets too cumbersome. So the next clip, we will show you how to get this going.